my God, birds!
Who's gonna save us?
Yeah, banana. All right. Yeah, that's good.
They're everywhere!
Oh, God.
There's only one person that could solve this. Our own physics expert.
Dirty kids leaving trash on the forum during lunch hours. Seagulls are being attracted to the trash and leaving quite a mess themselves. Yeah. Back to you, Nicky Poo.
Even more math.
So, 5,041 students plus 1,733 pieces of trash divided by 2.8 jillion birds times 34 trillion gallons of guano, subtract the square root of pi equals
Paper trash! Thanks, Bab.